I don't want to have to tell you blokes for the last time. We are doing this work for a very, very good reason. Now, are you just going to move those boxes, or are you... Oh, sorry. Were we intruding on anything? Sweet Dragon and Strange! It's the Joker! Run! Right then. Get the boxes, everyone. Spooky Percy, I still don't feel right doing this stuff. Would you man up? Anyway, come on, we gotta go get these boxes. I know. Nice one. Great! Just great! Thanks to your imbecile brother, we failed the heist because he wouldn't get the boxes, and then Batman and Robin came. Well, technically that wasn't his fault, but still! I hate him. I'm back. Where were you? Nowhere, Mr. Joker. I'm gonna go downstairs. Sir, you okay? I'm back. Where were you? Nowhere, Mr. Joker. I'm gonna go downstairs. Sir, you okay? Spooky Percy. Don't take this personally, but I think we may have a few loose ends to